Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Tuesday 28th July 2020 and yesterday we discussed two types of mountains, that is volcanic mountain and dome mountain. Today we are going to discuss the features of plateau mountains. So I would like you to take out your book, page number 21. Alright, so far we have discussed four types of mountains, that is fold mountains, block mountains, volcanic mountains, dome mountains, and now we are going to discuss fifth type of mountain, that is plateau mountains. The other name for plateau mountains is erosion mountains. Why these are called erosion mountains? Because they are formed excuse me, by erosion. And what is erosion? What do we mean by erosion? Erosion means rubbed gradually. जब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कोई चीज़ रबिंग के साथ जो है वो क्लियर अवे होती जाती है या फॉर्मेशन उसकी आती है या उसके अंदर चेंजेस आते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड erosion. Alright, so plateau mountains are called erosion mountains. Plateau mountains are formed by erosion, and that's why these are also called erosion mountains. When wind and water erode pieces of plateaus to form a mountain shape, those mountains are called plateau mountains, and these are basically found in the Potowar Plateau, Punjab. You see, this is the image. Let me show you closely. This is the Potowar image, Potowar Plateau, the image of this one plateau, and excuse me, this is found in Punjab region, right? And let me tell you one more thing, that the factors which cause erosion, these are wind, water, right? These are two factors, these are two elements which cause erosion. Plateau mountains की formation में ये दोनों factor, जैसे water and wind, हवा और पानी जो हैं, ये दोनों बहुत important factor है, बहुत इनकी अहमियत है, क्योंकि इन्हीं की वजह से erosion होती है, इसी की वजह से rubbing होती है और इसी की वजह से plateau mountains formation में आती हैं. यहाँ पे हमने पढ़ा था fold mountains, types of mountains में, you see, fold mountains, block mountains, इनको भी हमने डिस्कस किया था, and you see volcanic mountains, dome mountains, and now we are studying plateau mountains. The other name of plateau mountain is erosion mountains, because these are formed by erosion, right? Excuse me. Right, so this is the example. हमने हर mountain range की example पढ़ी थी. You see, this is the example of volcanic mountain, Mount St. Helens in North America, Enchanted Rock in USA is the example of Dome Mountain, and Potowar Plateau Mountain is the example of plateau mountains. Plateau mountains basically are large flat areas that have been pushed above the sea level by force within earth, or you can say that they have been formed by layers of lava. They are commonly described as a large area of high levels of flat land. Over 600 meters above sea level they are formed, and plateau mountains are often found near fold mountains. आपने first type of जो mountain पढ़ा था fold mountains. So जो plateau mountains हैं ये mostly जो हैं they are found near fold mountains. इन ज़्यादातर जो हैं ये fold mountains के करीब तरीन के जो areas हैं उधर ये पाई जाती हैं, right? So these are the important points related to plateau mountains. The other name for plateau mountains are erosion mountains. Why these are called erosion mountains? Because they are formed by erosion. When wind and water erodes a piece of plateau, so these mountains are formed. जब plateau जो है, प्लेटू का जो सरफेस है, जो एरिया है प्लेटू का, जब उसमें वाटर और विंड जो है उससे रबिंग से एक माउंटेन शेप आता है, तो उस तरह से प्लेटू माउंटेन की फॉर्मेशन आती है, राइट? ये आप देख सकते हैं, दिस इज़ द इमेज ऑफ प्लेटू माउंटेन्स. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट द एक्सरसाइज. ऑलराइट, एक्सरसाइज ऑन बुक पेज नंबर 23. We have done exercise question number 1, right? And now we are going to attempt exercise question 3 part 2. Explain the formation of dome mountains, right? This is written work, so we have to attempt this in our notebook. I would like you to take out your notebooks. Alright, so write down the question, but before writing the question you have to prepare your page, draw a margin line, then write down classwork, Tuesday, 28th July 2020, chapter number 4, Mountains. Topic, exercise question answer. Explain the formation of dome mountain. राइट आपने यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करना है डोम माउंटेन की फॉर्मेशन. हमने ये डिस्कस किया था दैट दे लुक लाइक डोम, सो दैट्स वाई दे आर कॉल्ड आफ्टर दिस, क्योंकि उनके उसकी शेप हाफ स्फीयर जैसी होती है, राइट, और वो रेज हुई हुई होती है अपने सराउंडिंग लैंड से. डोम माउंटेन्स आर फॉर्म्ड व्हेन मैग्मा पुशेस इट अवे up under Earth's crust without erupting on the surface. The raised area looks like the top half of a sphere. Right? हमने यहाँ पे डिस्कस किया था और आपने यहाँ पे जब ये आंसर और एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना है, यहाँ पे आपने डोम माउंटेन की पिक्चर भी ड्रॉ करनी है. Let's take a look at the book. Page number 20. You see, this is the dome mountain. This is the picture of dome mountain, right? So you have to draw dome mountain similarly in your notebook on the interleaf page. यहाँ पे आप क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करेंगे और इसके ऑपोजिट पेज पे आप डोम माउंटेन जो है उसको ड्रॉ करेंगे. एंड मेक श्योर कि आफ्टर राइटिंग दिस आप यहाँ पे इसको लेबल भी करें. दिस इज द डायग्राम ऑफ डोम माउंटेन. Right, dome mountain. So this is the explanation related to the formation of dome mountain, that these mountains are formed when magma pushes it away up under Earth's crust without erupting on the surface. क्योंकि ये eruption नहीं होती, ये violently ये erupt नहीं करता, and this is the reason that they raise area look like half of a sphere, जिसकी वजह से ये half sphere जैसा dome shape बन जाता है, right? After completing this children, you have to fill up your index at the beginning of the notebook. 28th July 2020, chapter number 4, exercise question answer. This is the date, topic, and then you that's how you will fill up. This is the list of index. So far we have attempted the written work in our notebook. I'm sure आप सब ने इस तरह से इसको complete किया होगा. Alright children, let me tell you one more thing, that these notes are uploaded in the notes folder. आप notes के folder में जाएंगे after watching the video lesson of SST class 4. वहाँ पे ये upload किए हुए हैं, प्लीज़ वहाँ से download कीजिएगा. उसके बाद अपनी notebook में अपने notes को complete कीजिएगा. Alright, so it's time to look at the diary. Now let's take a look at the diary. Today's diary is that you have to complete book page number 24 as homework. Alright, so book page number 24 we have the diagrams of different types of mountain, right? So can you identify these mountains? This is the volcanic mountain, this is fold mountain, and this is dome mountain. You have to write down, after identification you have to write down the examples as well, right? So identify and label these diagrams of mountains. Give an example of each. आपने इनको लेबल करना है. आफ्टर आइडेंटिफिकेशन इसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है, उनका नेम राइट करना है, देन एग्जाम्पल राइट करनी है. यू सी 1 2 3 E.g. एग्जाम्पल, आपने यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल राइट करनी है. सो दैट्स हाउ यू विल कंप्लीट योर होमवर्क. यहाँ पे आप अपना होमवर्क राइट करेंगे, डे एंड डेट. होमवर्क day 28 July 2020. Alright, so that's how you will complete your homework. Alright children, let me tell you one more thing, that आपने अपने homework जो class work है उसकी neatness को maintain करना है. Alright, the way you see I have prepared the work page for you, similarly you have to prepare the page. Make sure you write very neatly with sharp pencil tip. Alright, maintain the neatness of your work. So thank you very much for watching the video. Look after yourself, stay home, stay safe.